Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 20 Pro and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. And here, as you can see, after touching the shutter button, the device is taking photos right away after this. If you want to set the camera timer, simply click on the second icon, which is the camera timer, and as you can see now it is off, but we can choose from three options. We can set 2 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick for example 10 seconds delay, and as you can see the icon has changed, and let's touch the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option, for example 5 seconds. Let's click on the button and as you can see the same situation, but now it is counting down from 5. So if you want to turn off, simply click on this and choose the turn off icon. And from now on you're taking photos normally. So that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your HTC Desire 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.